Hey everybody, welcome back. Sorry it's been so long since I've uploaded a video. I woke up one morning and I just lost my voice. I have a medical condition. I'm not sure if I posted anything about that on this channel because I have 3 channels. But I do have that on my bigger channel. If you would like, I will leave the name in the corner. So if you want to go check out my bigger channel, that's my family channel. It's what I do with my family. So today, we have another Ipsy package. I have been dying to open this because I have not opened it because I couldn't talk, so I didn't want to open it and not be able to make a video. I had thought about making a video, but then I'd have to just make cards to where you can read it, and I figured I didn't want to do all that. So, we have a pretty little golden bag, and it says "Stay Golden." It's pretty, and it's even got a little sunshine. So we have some nail polish. Be your incredible self with Nails Incorporated London. And I can leave pictures at the end. And then we have the Sophia Mabel eyeshadow. And then we have a scalp and body scrub. It smells really good. And then we have some coconut skin smooth priming moisturizer. And then it says Hello Fab. Camera don't focus today. Then is Grace and Stella. There's a foam party on my face and you're invited. It's a foaming face wash. And that is it for this month's bag. So it says Stay Golden. This was July's bag, but I've had it for a few weeks. This month, everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on the shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. And then it's got some... So it says, here comes the fun. Get your new glam bag products valued at $50 plus are ready to light up your routine. So the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer says hydrate, smooth, and prep your skin for makeup with this 3-in-1 primer. The secret, a blend of nutrient-rich coconut water and quinoa protein plus tiny micro pearls that make your skin look super luminous and glowing. And then it says, using your fingers, smooth a dime-sized over clean skin for a natural looking glow. The Scalp and Body Scrub. It says, word has it, once you try this scrub, you'll be 100% hooked by its skin smoothing effects. This weekly exfoliator uses sugar crystals to gently buff away dead skin, while probiotics leave your skin's natural microbiome balanced and happy. And then it says, rub a dollop directly onto the scalp and body to lather it up, then rinse. And then the Cleopatra Eyeshadow Quad. This eyeshadow quad is here to help you turn up the glam. The golden and chocolate tone shades, there's 1 matte and 3 shimmers, are highly blendable, super pigmented, and true to pan. So the color you see in the palette is what you'll see on your eyes. And then it says blend these shades onto your lids using a soft shadow brush. And then the foaming face wash. This gentle fragrance-free cleanser is everything you want in a face wash. Fluffy, foamy, and fresh. It'll remove any dirt, excess oil, and impurities that accumulate on skin throughout the day without leaving your face feeling tight or dry. Thank you, aloe vera and hyaluronic acid. Then it says morning and night massage a few pumps on the wet skin and then rinse. And then it says Regis Place nail polish. Team Ipsy recommends this pretty cornflower blue polish for all your mani and pedi needs this summer. The long-lasting formula is resistant to chips and nicks, even when you're spending all day at the beach or pool. And it has a glossy high shine finish we love. And then it says apply a base coat, 2 coats of this lacquer, and then follow up with a shiny coat. So that's this month's Ipsy bag. And I'm going to use this fingernail polish today. It's time for my mani and pedi. I do them myself because I'm in cosmetology school. So that is what I'm about to get into now. I'm going to go get ready, get myself a mani and pedi. I'll show pictures of this at the end of this video. And if there's any other things you want to see me do, any kind of videos, makeup, beauty related, I'm behind on my cosmetology stuff. But now that I can talk, maybe I can get some of these videos up and uploaded. Because I got a bunch of ideas, I just haven't had a voice. So, thanks for watching, thanks for being here. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.